If you are an Amazon employee and want to use your employee discount while shopping, this guide will help you understand the complete process in a simple and clear way. Many people are not sure how the discount works or where to apply it. So in this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can use it without any confusion. First, you need to make sure your Amazon employee account is properly set up. Usually, when you join Amazon, you receive details about your employee benefits, including your discount. This discount is typically linked to your Amazon account through your registered work email or a special employee portal. Make sure you have activated this benefit before trying to use it. Once your account is ready, open the Amazon website or app and sign in using the same account that is linked to your employee benefits. Now browse and add products to your cart just like you normally would. Keep in mind that the employee discount usually applies only to products sold and shipped by Amazon, not third-party sellers. When you proceed to checkout, the discount will automatically be applied if the item is eligible. You may see the discounted amount reflected in the final price before placing the order. In some cases, the discount may appear as a separate line showing the savings. Also, remember that Amazon employee discounts usually come with an annual limit, meaning you can only save up to a certain amount each year. Once that limit is reached, the discount will no longer apply until it resets. To check your discount usage or eligibility, you can visit your employee benefits page or contact internal support if needed. In short, to use your Amazon employee discount, make sure it is activated, shop for eligible items, and the discount will be applied automatically at checkout. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.